Hello coaches, we're going to have a short video here about how to use shortcuts in Evernote. This is a great time saver as you gather more and more notes in your notebook. There are some that you go to all the time and it makes finding those very easy. So let's say that I find myself always looking for Lauren's video tutorials note and I want to get it easier. On the web interface, if I click on the note and see this star, it says add shortcut. If I click on that, then I've now created a shortcut for the video tutorials. And if I go hit the star on the left-hand side, this is a list of all my shortcuts. These are all things that I go to often, and now you see the one we just added is here. If I click on it, it takes me straight to her note. It's important to know that this doesn't change the location of the note. The note still exists wherever it usually exists. If I go to Official Coaching Resources, I will find that note or whatever it is. Maybe it's in Systems, but wherever that still exists in its current space. And if you go to your desktop interface, it also, that new note exists in my shortcuts here. You can pull anything into shortcuts. Let's say you've got a folder, whether it's business or personal. For example, I have a family notebook. I can put that over here in my shortcuts, and then I'll always be able to get to my family notes. And again, after a quick sync, that will also appear in my web version as well as an easy place for me to find. Maybe it'll sync itself up there. So it's a great way to take, and the great thing is it shows up on your phone and your iPad. The shortcuts connect across those places. You can put notebooks. And while I'm at it, y'all, another tip I've got, and there's the Lighthouse links right there in the shortcuts, a great place to find that. I have a to-do list that I keep at the top of my shortcut page, which is where I have a list of things I got to do now, things I'm going to do later, things I'm waiting or delegated, but I'm constantly going to this to-do list to keep track of things that I want to get done. I think that's a great way. You've all got different to-do list approaches, but that's a great way to think about a to-do list. Put it at the top of your shortcut list, and you can always find it there. So shortcuts are fantastic. I encourage you all to create some for the notebooks or notes that you go to often. All right, enjoy.